bought this 2019 Infiniti for only $6,000 and I turned it from this to this. And at the end of the process, I made thousands of dollars in pure profit. Here's how I did it. 3.0. Another one.
Black inside, man. Check it out.
Sheesh. Oh, no, it's tough. Ooh, how many miles?
22.
Bismillah. Yes, sir. New drop.
We love to see this, man.
Ah, cracked.
Yeah.
Dang.
But I figured this crack right here.
I'll be alright. This might need. We get the trunk.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Good,
Dang, that's the damage though, gang. Y'all see it? So trunk. Can we open it? Yeah, we can open it. Sheesh. Got a stick in here. So they're gonna pull this out. The rebar. I'll probably get a new reinforcement bar. New reinforcement bar. So they'll put that new one on. Pull this out. Fix this a little bit. New trunk. And new rear bumper.
Bumper's that Gecko?
It might be. But bro, we need to get the other parts, bro.
Yeah. The part is that Gecko.
Call around other shops, see if they have them for cheaper, or if they have them for a little bit more, but we'll just pay more.
What would you mean?
Like the junkyards. Call other ones. See if anyone else has it. That would deliver.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, that's what we got. It's a 3.0 liter twin turbo.
This one's nice, bro.
That's the USAA is the seller. I don't know if y'all can see that. Always want to buy from insurance if you can. Twin turbo. So next step, we're gonna call the what's it called? The junkyards. See if we can get those parts. We need the trunk and we need the tail light, and then we'll see from there.
About to get some gas. Ugh. I hate when I have my hand in the camera, man.
Rookies, man, rookies.
Finna get some gas real quick. 2019 Infiniti Q50. This is sport or is it regular?
It's regular, yeah. It's regular. Twin turbo one though.
Oh, the V6.
Oh yeah, she's a runner.
Let's go.
22,000 miles. I mean, it's a brand new car, bro.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. At the pump.
Pump it up.
About to refuel real quick.
Do they need a jump? It'll probably be looking sick if we need a jump.
Damn, I don't know.
I'm gonna leave the car on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna risk it. I'm about to go inside, okay? You have your wallet?
Yeah.
You pay, I'll pay you back.
No, I don't have, my card's in the negative, sir.
My God.
My car's in the negative, man. Don't judge me.
We'll go inside, y'all can pay.
Cool.
Alright, y'all pay for the gas. It's a nice car, man. Nice car.
Where you think I can find a reinforcement bar?
Check eBay and check the junkyards. The main two. Alright. But yeah. We do need the bumper with the holes, dang.
Yeah.
That's the bougie one.
Alright. I see this one has like a little diffuser looking thing. I don't know if all bumpers can do that.
I'm not sure. Signature edition. Alright, gas is done. We out.
We out here.
Doing things. Safety first.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alhamdulillah, engine looks fine, transmission looks fine, turbos look fine. I mean, it's a low mileage car. When you buy a low mileage car, there's not that much you need to worry about, for the most part. So we should be good. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Now you gotta get the parts and get the ball rolling. Get this car moving.
It's gonna be a good one, man.
Inshallah. Alright, I'm headed to the junkyard right now to get a new trunk. We found one for $300, and it's about a 20-minute drive. So we'll go get that. And then, yeah, might also get the rear bumper from there as well. But we'll see. Good. Alright, secured. I'm about to go pay. Alright, I just paid. The receipt. Trunk. Hopefully it fits inside this trunk of the Q50. We're about to find out. I don't know. About to see. Alright, there we go. We got it in. Back seat. Damn in the trunk. There we go. Back to the shop we go. Alright, y'all. We got the bumper inside. And we got the trunk inside as well, as you can see. So now all we need is the tail light. And I already called the junkyard and I got it for $215. And they're gonna ship that today, hopefully. If not today, then tomorrow. And yeah, and the next thing we need is a reinforcement bar. Alright, y'all, we're about to take the Infiniti to the body shop, see what price they give us. So I'm gonna take this one, the black one. Now we're gonna take the gray one. And yeah. Alright, y'all, we just left the body shop. Their price on this one was a little too much for me. They said they wanted $1,800 to fix this car, and I talked them down to $1,500. But then they said like we need you to pay half up front. What? I never pay half up front. I don't know what they asked for half up front for. So we're just gonna go take it to the other body shop, and yeah, because they gave us a better price. So we're gonna go to the other body shop, and I'll catch you guys over there. That's everything.
Got the tail light. Some slight.
We'll throw it in the car. You have the keys?
Oh, you have the keys, yeah.
I bet.
Our baby's finally getting put together.
What is YouTube?
Huh?
What?
What? YouTube.
Oh.
Say hi to YouTube.
Easy. My wife gonna fight me.
Oh! So we got the tail light, as you can see. We got the bumper in there.
Bumper, trunk, tail light, gecko.
Let's get to it.
Let's go. All right, y'all, we're on the way to the body shop right now, to the second one. And I'll catch you guys over there. All right, y'all, we pulling up to the shop. You know the boys. See them in the back. All right, y'all, pulled up. We got the car dropped off. As y'all can see. Got it here. How it's looking. Update, we back picking up the car from the body shop, even though it's not fixed, because we forgot to do the pre-inspection. This car's a 2019, and with cars 6 years up and newer, you have to go do a pre-inspection at the DMV. So we completely forgot about that. So we're picking it up right now, and then tomorrow morning he's gonna go to the DMV, do the pre-inspection, and then we'll bring it back here to the body shop. That's just what you have to do for these newer cars. We out.
The work doesn't stop, man.
No sir.
Gotta keep going.
Yes sir. 7:14 p.m. Still going. We've been going since 9 a.m. It don't stop. At the point now, we're scraping off the stuff from the windshield. But just passed inspection. And I don't know if I showed you guys, but the car has been fixed. As you can see, that's how we're looking now. You guys remember the before? This is the after. So as you can see, it's looking all good. And yeah, so he's passed inspection. Now all that's left is really to wash it and take pictures and post. And from there, we should be good. The backup camera doesn't work, so we are gonna figure that out. It might be because it's a new trunk and maybe a different type of camera. That's why it's not working. But we'll just have to see. And yeah. All right, y'all, I wasn't able to record much, but we took pictures of the Q50. We did the inspection. We fixed the trunk, the backup camera. We fixed everything. So we did all that. We took the pictures. I'll post the pictures up right now. We also sold the car. So the car sold. We don't have it anymore. It just sold yesterday, actually. I wasn't here to record, unfortunately, again. I was out of town, but luckily my friends were able to sell it. I hit this car. So my friend sold it, and I'm gonna go inside and break down all the numbers with you, show you guys how much exactly we made, how much we spent, how much we sold the car for, and the profit. So I'll go inside right now and show you guys that. All right, here's the numbers for 2019 Q50. Let's go one by one. First off, as you can see, we spent $7,200 to buy the car. That's with the auction fees included. And then $1,200 was the labor to fix the car. $370 was the transport to transport the car from where we bought it to our shop. And the rear bumper was $323. The trunk was $321. Dealer fee $315. $214 for the tail light and $40 in gas, which came out to a grand total of $9,987.40, and we sold the car for $14,700, and that gives us a profit of $4,700 and a 47% return on our investment. And as you can see, it took about a month to flip, right around. We bought it May 16th and we sold it June 17th. So there you go. That's the whole process. It's not hard at all. And if you want to learn how to flip cars like this, subscribe down below, watch the videos, learn, just keep learning. That's the best way you're gonna make money in this business, is you have to know what you're doing. Also, if you want to book me on a call, if you have like a specific question or you want me to look at a car or a couple cars that you want me to look at for you before you buy them, you can do that. Link in the description below. It's a 15-minute call and I can answer any questions you guys have. That's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Boom.
Y'all come tap in.
This the money from one flip. Just one flip.